Adobe Illustrator versus Affinity Designer. So let's start with Adobe Illustrator. It is the industry standard vector graphics editor from Adobe, used for logo design, branding, print, and digital vector artwork. So it offers extremely powerful tools, like the advanced vector features, 3D effects that many professionals require to use. It also offers excellent compatibility and file format support, and it even has a seamless integration with other Adobe apps like Photoshop for a full professional workflow. The cost is though, it can be expensive because it offers a subscription model only, so it is not a one-time payment plan, but a monthly payment plan. It also requires a steeper learning curve, so that means you need to learn it really hard because it offers many features and toolsets which requires more time to transfer, and it offers a heavier system requirement. So if your PC can't handle Adobe, then I don't recommend this app or platform. Now, Affinity Designer, on the other hand, is a vector graphics editor from Affinity that offers a full feature set for vector design. So for the pros, it is much more affordable because it is a one-time purchase. It offers clean, intuitive interface and faster performance, and many reviews and positive users, and it has a good toolset for most vector tasks required. The only downside is it lacks some of the advanced features of Illustrator and like plugins and tools. And the industry standard that AI file compatibility may still be less seamless than other platforms. So overall, if your priority is maximum professional capability, deep industry feature set, full integration with large workflows, then go with Adobe Illustrator. But if your priority is cost efficient and ease of use, strong vector capabilities for content creation, then I highly recommend Affinity Designer. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.